let you know what we did today. There's no charge, so just ignore the fee at the bottom there. But it's just so you have a record of what was done today.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, and the only
There's
thing
no way I could have paid for this. Oh, this is just fantastic. Really a huge help. Huge help.
We're glad to do it, and we'll be doing it again next year. So just keep an eye out.
Yeah, you guys are wonderful.
So you know what was done today,
Okay.
in case you ever need that, but there's no cost to you at all. That's just ignore the fee on the bottom there.
Well,
All right.
well, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Dad. Have a great day. So
Yeah, I will now.
What was the total?
The total was $527.90.
And that was complimentary.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Record, so you know what we did for you today. And please ignore the fee at the bottom. There's no charge today.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You have a great day. I hope your kids have a bunch of stuff to read up for you today.
Well, supposedly my daughter is baking a birthday cake and everything for me, so.
Fabulous. Well, happy birthday.
What a way to spend your birthday, eh?
It's a good way.
Thank you all.
Thanks.
Take care.
Bye-bye now.
Bye. For you, Andy.
Pour vous.
Just so for your records. And of course, there's no charge
Okay.
today for you. But
Yay! That's awesome.
Have a great day. Make sure
And
dinner's
you.
on the table for Shelley when you get home.
Oh, it'll be on the table, craft dinner.
Oh, I was in a lot of pain for about a month. I couldn't sleep. It's like almost insomnia. It's just like boom, boom. Every hour on the hour, I was just like in pain. You kind of, when you're overwhelmed, you're overwhelmed. And now I feel a lot lighter now, so I don't feel so dragged down. It's great. This guy was awesome, because I was really scared. Like I was, I'm a big dude and I was in tears going in there. And this guy was really good. Like he was laughing and giggling, making you not think too much about it. And the sounds of the drill and the hose and all those sounds that kind of make you scared. He kind of took it away. He's kind of smart. He had a little bit of music playing. Kind of sort of got you to try to be as relaxed as possible.
It went really well. Dr. Crapo was amazing. It went so fast and so easily, I didn't even know my tooth was been pulled.
No.
So I guess that's the best thing you can ever ask for, isn't it? Yeah. Not even know it happened. So yeah, I'm super impressed. He's an amazing dentist, and I'm very lucky to be here. So I appreciate everything.
Well, I came over to Victoria to help Ross with this event because A, he's a friend, and B, it's a great cause. I mean, it's nice to help out people that are in need of dentistry that, maybe it's not a great time and they don't have it in their budget at this time to do dentistry. And so there's a lot of need, and there's a lot of people, as you can see, that are in pain. Plus, I'm a Victoria boy. I know I'm from Vancouver and I came over, but I grew up in Oak Bay. And I went to UVic, and so my family still lives here. I visit my parents, visit my sister, so it's a good thing. Do two things at once.
Well, I've had a pretty amazing time the last 2 years that I did it when Dr. Crapo asked me, and I wasn't really sure what I was walking into, but it's just really the amazing atmosphere. Everybody here is volunteering. Everybody here is putting their time in to help people, and it was a really fun day. Exhausting, tiring day, but a really fun day at the same time. And I can't think of any patient in the last 3 years that didn't walk out and say thank you, had a smile on their face, really quite appreciative. And what better way to spend a day on your weekend.
So we got started doing this 4 years ago. Honestly and truthfully, we thought it would be a marketing piece for us. It would be just something to expose us to the community. Within a couple of hours of that experience, we knew it was far more, it wasn't about marketing, it was about people who were in trouble, people who had pain, people who in their minds were confined, trapped, isolated. And so we worked ourselves to the bone that first year. We weren't as organized as we are now. We saw a few more people than we normally see. We just kept on going, and we really were exhausted by the end of it was about 12 hours. But no one was tired in the sense that they were fatigued in their mind. They had had a wonderful experience. They knew it was important to do this from time to time. The frustrating thing is that we can't do these days more regularly. But what we've come to realize is that it's a wonderful thing for these people, and it's wonderful for us too. It changes the way we look at people, the way we feel about people, because it's just sort of a gift to those who would take advantage of it, can take advantage of it. And there's just something that happens to you that when you give of yourself that gives you a feeling that you can't get any other way. It's just the way it is. So the staff has really been excited to do this on a regular basis, and it's one of the things that we mark on the calendar for every year. And I'm very, very glad that we can do this. The people that we have to thank are many, from food chains, delicatessens, people donating everything from water to a very nice food and fare for us. But the people who really make this possible, we're here doing the work. We're here, my staff and myself and the volunteer dentists. But the people who really make this possible are my patients.